Good evening, ma'am. Good evening, everyone. How does globalized media affect the sense of local or national cultural identity in young people? Globalized media has a big effect on how young people see their own culture and identity. Today, through the internet, movies, music, and social media, young people are easily exposed to ideas, lifestyles, and values from all over the globe. This can be both positive and negative. On the positive side, global media helps young people learn about other cultures and become more open-minded. They can connect with people from different countries, share ideas, feel a part of global community. It can also inspire creativity and bring new opportunities for education purposes and work purposes. However, there are also negative effects. Sometimes global media promotes mainly Western or popular global cultures, which can make local traditions seem less important or old-fashioned, as we say. Young people might start copying foreign styles, language, or attitudes, and slowly lose interest in their own cultural roots. This can be weaken national identity and create confusion about who they are or where they belong. In the end, globalized media changes the way young people build their sense of identity. The best approach is to enjoy global culture while also valuing and protecting one's local traditions and heritage. By balancing both, young people can be global citizens without losing their cultural roots. And that will be all.